If I had a copper piece every time my little rat familiar had gone into battle and immediately died, I would be so rich.
You're still using a rat familiar? Doesn't stand up to my hellhound.
Your what?
Hellhound familiar. Spellbound familiar.
How did you get one of those?
Oh, I'll put you in a smart little ritual. Look, hang on. How about these? Here's, oil of man, tub of acid, 13 pounds of bone, and a spoon. Go have fun, old man.
Oil of man? What part of the man does the oil come from? A barrel of acid? It sounds very unsafe.
Bring the wonders of magical creatures into the comfort of your own home or adventuring party with Spellbound Familiars.
What kind of spoon? Do I just get one out of the kitchen, or is it like a big spoon?
Spectres, mimics, devils, dragons. If you can dream it, you can summon it. Raise it, care for it, and watch it die in an unbalanced battle prepared by your angry dungeon master.
Where does the familiar come from? Is the familiar made of acid, or is he made of oil?
Spellbound Familiars are the companion you didn't know you needed. Summon now. Terms and conditions apply. No, sign in blood.
Do I need a ladle? Is a ladle a spoon? How do I even know what to put in this damn red? Oh, hello there, young lad. What are you? You're very jello-y. You look somewhat edible. Maybe that's not the best idea. Well, I guess come along, Mr. Cube. What are you doing? Well, Mr. Cube, I guess now that I'm inside you, we may as well go and begin our questing. Help! Help, adventurers! This beast has bitten onto my arm and won't let go!
Don't worry. I got this. Hold still.
Not one. Oh, God, my leg! Oh, my leg! Oh, why did you do that?
Sorry about that. Let's try it again. Hold nice and still.
Not one. Oh, God, my other leg! Oh, please, oh, God, this hurts so much more than the beast! Oh, God! Oh, what have you done to me?
Sorry about that, pal. Don't worry. Third time's the charm.
Not one.
Do you, think he has any good items?
Ooh, he's got a ring.
Don't touch that. I called it.